In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to add a YouTube video to your Webflow website builder. Whether you're a beginner to website design or looking to enhance your site with engaging video content, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, let's start by heading over to webflow.com. If you haven't already, log into your account. Webflow is a fantastic platform for designing responsive websites visually and is ideal for those who want a powerful tool without diving deep into coding. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard filled with all your projects. From here, select the site you wish to add the YouTube video to. Click on that specific project to open it. This will take you to the design interface where you can see your website layout and start making changes. On the left side of your screen, there's a toolbar. Click on the Add Element button. This is where you'll find all the various components you can add to your website, from text blocks and images to more advanced features. This is where the magic happens in Webflow, allowing you to customize your site to your heart's content. In the search bar that appears, type in video. As you type, you should see the video element appear in the list below. Click on the video element to select it. This is the component you'll use to embed your YouTube video on your page. Once you've selected the video element, drag and drop it onto your desired location on the page. This step is crucial as it determines where your video will be displayed for your website visitors. Make sure you place it in a spot that makes sense for your site's flow and design. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the YouTube URL. Head over to YouTube and copy the URL of the video you want to embed. It's as simple as navigating to the video, highlighting the URL from the address bar, and copying it. Once you have the link, go back to Webflow and paste it into the URL field provided. This step connects your video to the Webflow site, allowing it to stream directly from YouTube. After entering the URL, you'll have the option to enter a title for your video. This step is more than just labeling your video. It helps with accessibility and can provide context to your viewers, enhancing their experience. Type in a title that accurately describes the video content. This not only aids in organization, but can also improve your site to search engine optimization by including relevant keywords. And there you have it. You've successfully added a YouTube video to your Webflow website. Before you finish, take a moment to preview your site to ensure everything looks just right. Click on the preview button at the top to see how the video appears in the overall design and make any necessary adjustments. With these steps, you're now equipped to add engaging video content to any of your Webflow projects, increasing interaction and enhancing user experience. Thank you for watching and happy designing.